Namaskar, welcome back to my channel Karmic Predictions. I am Sneh Valecha, your tarot card reader, astrologer, numerologist, clinical hypnotherapist and healer. So friends, today we are going to talk about zodiac signs. Today I am going to give you the prediction for the Aries, the Taurus and the Geminians. So what are zodiac signs? Zodiac signs are the time period in which a person or a native is born. For example, Aries, the people who are born from the 21st of March to the 19th of April are the Arians. Arians are a fairy sign. They are very motivated all the time. They are leaders. The symbol which Aries carries is the ram or the wild goat. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac. The wild goat can cover huge and giant mountains. So the Arians are very headstrong, stubborn, very strong, full of strength, and a very huge sign because the wild goats can travel to huge long distances and very high mountains. So they can be very good leaders. They can be very good inspirators. They can inspire a lot of people. They are hot-headed and they are very determined. So now let's see what lies in store for the Arians for the month of June. This is the monthly prediction I am doing. Well, Arians, I have got very good cards. You are going to move to a smooth phase of your life. So the tough times are going to end and the good times are going to begin. You will be blessed from the family or from your friends, from female, especially female gender are going to give you blessing and help you in get money, luxury, happiness and accomplish your dreams. However, you have to be little bit structured and organized and you have to follow your fixed rules. Like since you are a very stubborn sign, you have to be fixed and you have to follow the rules which you are meant to follow to get success. And you will very well be able to do that. Some elder family member also will guide you and help you and give you the right kind of advice. So well, see, this also has the sign of the Aries. So this card for you tells you that be productive, be a giver, take right kind of decisions and take advice of your elders. Be like the emperor. So now let's see what are the angels blessing you with for the month of June. I've got a very good blessing from the angels. Celebrate your life. No matter how, what, where, just celebrate. Just celebrate that you are born in the human form. Just celebrate that you are blessed with whatever things, resources, people, relationships. Just cherish and enjoy that. So this is a celebration time for you guys. So understand what angels are blessing you with and just take the opportunity. So now we will talk about the Taurians. So Taurians are the people who are little bit earthly, like they are the earthy signs, and the symbol which the Taurians carry is of the bull. So the bull is a very strong animal and the bull is full of strength and the bull can eat a lot. So what the bull does, the bull sits in one place, goes on chewing. They eat a lot. They are very fond of very good food. They are very fond of recreation, enjoying their life, but they are lazy at times. A bull is lazy. You have to be pushed to really get up and do your work. You love to chat, you love to eat, you love to socialize, but at the same time you should also remember to get up and do your karma. So your karma will only reap your fruits. So let's see what this month of June lies for you. What is in store for you for this month of June through tarot cards. So I am getting a very nice card that you will be able to balance very well. You have the angel's blessing. You will be able to balance your relationships, your career, your family with a great wisdom, and you will do it very well. But be careful, there is some betrayal coming. So just don't jump into any kind of decisions without thinking, and mark your words when you talk to your family members. You may feel, that they are getting back at you. So for the Taurians, just be very careful how you talk to your family members. So I am getting this card, which is not that positive, I would say. So be careful with your blood relationships, or whomever you love, your spouse, your girlfriend, that what you speak, because you may get the reflection back. You may be backstabbed. So be careful. Like, don't jump into any decisions. Sit and give it a thought. Now let's see what the angels are blessing you with. So blessings for the Taurians: self-acceptance. You have to accept yourself completely. There could be some flaws, which we all carry. There are positivities, there are positive things, and there are flaws, there are drawbacks. So you have to accept yourself completely, and the angels will bless you to do that. Just you have to look at yourself in the mirror and say, I accept you. I accept you completely and wholly. So this is the angel blessing for you. Now we will talk about the Geminians. So what does the Geminian symbol tell us? The Geminian symbol is a man and woman, or twins, or two girls. So Geminians are an airy sign, and they always have a duality, within them, whether I should do this or I shouldn't do this, whether what should I do. You always are in dual mind. You cannot take the decisions very well. And since you are an airy sign, so you are just sometimes the air goes here, there, so you are not able to decide. But you are very good in communication, you are very good in finances, and you are very good in taking certain decisions which chartered accountants or finance related issues. You are very good in taking those kind of decisions. So Geminians, use your mind. You're blessed with that accuracy and the calculative mind, so you can take that right kind of decisions for yourself. So now we will see what lies in store for you for the month of June through the tarot cards. So Geminians, I don't know what kind of complications are there in your life. There are certain complications which are actually giving you some kind of imaginary worries and fears. But don't worry, believe in yourself, trust yourself, and you can take your step. You will be very well guided emotionally by any of your father figures or your elders. So take advice. You will be emotionally satisfied otherwise in the remaining half of the month. In the half month, you will be complicated, you will have imaginary worries, but you can chant Om Namah Shivaya. You can just say that I am not fearful, I am strong, I am blessed. So you will pull along, and you will be well guided emotionally by your elders, and you will be emotionally happy in the half month of June. So now let's see what is the angel blessing coming up for you, Geminians. Yes, see, again I have got the card of focus. So you focus on yourself, focus on the drawbacks and the flaws and the misunderstanding or complications which have been created. Focus on that, and you will get an answer from the angels. You can also sit in one corner, close your eyes for some time, and just focus that what is it that I need to know or I need to focus. See the good part, don't see the negative part. There will be imaginary fears and worries, but you just concentrate on the positive aspects of life. So this much from my side today for the Aries, Taurus and the Geminian zodiac signs. I hope you like the predictions, and please follow the guidance, because this is not to make you scared or like to put some fear, induce some fear in you, but it is just to guide you so that you are able to take up the challenges and the decisions you make. So for now, bye bye, take care, God bless you, I love you all, goodbye.